Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Cmft with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So this is a package I got from Feature Sneaker Boutique. They are based out of Las Vegas. So let's crack this open right here. And this one, actually, I got an email from them, and I thought it was gonna be a draw, so I just had to put in my info and wait for them to select winners. But as soon as I put in my info, you know, like within a minute or so, I actually got an email saying, oh, that you won the draw. So I don't know if it was just for their email subscribers, but I'm glad that I was able to get this no problem. So let's crack this open right here. I'm gonna be cutting the box. Okay. So that's the receipt. And here's the box right here. So just a receipt from Feature right there. All things good. You can see it is a Nike Air Force One box right there, black right there. You know, Air Force One, the Equality Quick Strike size 10, and suggested retail is $160, and colorway is black, white, gold. So Nike came out with the Equality, I guess, shoes. So here they are right here. This is Nike Air Force. You know, they have the stars on the paper right there, and here are the shoes themselves. So it is a pretty much all black shoe, as you can see, but on the back it does have Equality on both shoes right there, and it does come with hang tags right here. You know, one will be Equality, as you can see, and then the other one is right there, and then you do have a quote from Martin Luther King Jr. right there, you know, from his "I Have a Dream" speech right there. And then as far as the bottom, as you can see, it is a translucent bottom right there. And then the leather quality on this one, it is definitely nicer than the regular Air Force One. It is a softer leather. Again, you got the Nike Air in the back, as you can see. And then you have this footbed, which is, can I even take this out? Yes, you can. Okay. And you can see right here, you do have this lunar lawn right there inside. So you do have that padding that for comfort right there. But again, it's an all black shoe with, again, the Equality in the back. But as far as quality wise, it is definitely better to me compared to a regular Air Force One. And you do have another set of laces in white, as you can see right here. And it has to have the black tips as well. So, right, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube. Peace out.